Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money on this platform. Okay, so right here you can see boldly that the name of this platform is 𝐅𝐑𝐻. Okay, some of you might have heard about this platform, but trust me guys, this platform is actually legit. Okay, this platform is very legit, and I've seen a lot of people make withdrawal. I am on their Telegram group and I'm on their WhatsApp group. Okay, so I've been following them up for a very long time. Okay, so finally I was able to sign up, and trust me, after I signed up on this platform, I got 2,000 naira immediately. Okay, so you can see right here for the activities I was able to complete, I've been able to make 7,300 already. Okay, and this is actually just a few days of joining this platform. Okay, so on this platform you're going to be making up to 600 naira every day for just logging in. Okay, apart from you referring people or doing other things. Okay, so once you log in, you're going to be getting 600 naira daily. Okay, so I've already completed today's task, so I'm not going to be taking you through that process, but trust me guys, it's something very simple. Okay, let me just show you the process. It's very simple, although I've done it for today, but let me just show you. Okay, so once I log in, I'm just going to click on this option right here showing 𝐅𝐑𝐻. Okay, so once I click on it, it's just going to direct me to a page. Like I'm going to select a blog. Okay, so once you can see right here this option showing blog. Okay, so once I click on it, I'm going to just see the list of I'm just going to see the list of posts I'm going to just click on. So once I click on it and I click on share, it's just going to direct me to Facebook. Okay, so once I get directed to Facebook, okay, so right here you can see this is the page. Okay, so once I click on this option, it's just gonna open. Okay, let me just click on it. Okay, you can see right here it is loading. Okay, you can see this is the post right here. Okay, so once I click on this option, I've already done it for today. Okay, you can see right here, earning from this post has expired 18 hours ago. Had it been I've not done it, you're going to see an option right here that is going to tell you click to earn. Okay, so once you click on it, the money will be paid directly to your dashboard. Okay, so guys, this website is very cool, and all you just have to do is log in every day and share one post, and you're going to be making up to 600 naira daily. And to sign up on this website, it is just 3,500 to sign up. Okay, so once you use 3,500, trust me, they're going to pay you immediately. They're going to put 2,000 naira immediately on your dashboard. Okay, and once you reach that minimum withdrawal, it's actually going to pay you. Okay, it's actually a new system they just upgraded to. Previously you have to apply for withdrawal before they can pay you, but now it is just automatic. Okay, once you get to their minimum withdrawal, they're just gonna pay you automatically. Okay, and you're still gonna be making money if you refer people, and if you still don't refer anybody, trust me, you're still gonna be making money on this platform. Okay, so this platform is actually legit. All you just have to do is to sign up, and once you sign up, you're gonna start making money from that moment. Okay, so right here I'm having zero balance because I've not referred anybody. Okay, and even if I don't refer anybody, I'm still gonna be making money for myself. Okay, so right here you can see my activity balance is 7,300. Okay, and tomorrow if I still log in and still complete the task, the money is still gonna increase. Okay, so guys, there are lots of ways you can make money online. All you just have to do is to get the right guide and then follow simple instructions. So guys, don't miss this opportunity. Make sure you jump on this. Okay, this platform is actually, there are people who make up to 300 400,000 on this website. Okay, because this website is actually broad. Okay, this website is broad. There are a lot of things you still have to learn on this website. Okay, I'm still going to be making a very detailed video, but guys, make sure you go and sign up first. Okay, because you're not going to miss the goodies I'm going to be bringing out next about on the video I'm going to be doing next about this platform. Okay, so guys, I will say, if you're seeing my video for the first time, make sure you subscribe. Okay, we are on our way to 1k subscribers. Okay, so guys, make sure you subscribe on this channel, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop new videos, you get notified by YouTube, so you can watch and start making money for yourself. And if you're a returning subscriber, I will say thank you for always showing up, thank you for always watching my video. And guys, I will be ending this video right here, but make sure you go use the link in the description of this video to sign up, so you can get your 2,000 naira welcome bonus and then start making money on this website. So thank you. you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.